I made popcorn with my dad last night, and I watched the whole bag puff up in the microwave.
Ooh, I love popcorn. But have you ever wondered why it goes pop like that?
Actually, yeah. I thought maybe there was tiny air trapped inside that just explodes.
That's close. But Mrs. Johnson said it's actually because of water. Isn't that weird? Popcorn seems so dry.
Water? That doesn't make any sense. It's a hard little seed, not a water balloon.
I know, I was confused too. But she said every popcorn kernel has a tiny drop of water hidden inside it.
Oh, so there's like a secret little water drop trapped in there this whole time?
Yeah, and when you heat it up, that water turns into steam, just like when a pot of water boils on the stove.
Oh, and steam takes up way more space than water, right? I remember that from when we learned about clouds.
Yes, you remembered that part before I did, Jake.
I guess clouds and popcorn are kind of connected then. Who knew?
So the steam builds up and up inside the hard shell of the kernel until it just can't hold it anymore.
And then, boom! It explodes into that fluffy white shape.
Exactly! That fluffy part is actually the inside of the kernel turning inside out from all that pressure.
Wait. Inside out? So the fluffy white stuff was hiding inside the hard shell the whole time?
Yup, that's the part that shocked me the most when Mrs. Johnson explained it.
So wild! I always just thought popcorn magically turned fluffy, not that it flipped inside out.
Same. Now I kind of want to watch it happen in slow motion just to see it for real.
Well, let's ask my dad if we can film it on his phone next time we make some.
Yes, and then we can watch it back super slow and see the exact moment it pops.
Now, let's explain the meaning of some of the words you heard. Kernel, a small hard seed, like the ones found in popcorn before it pops. Think of it like a tiny treasure chest with a secret hiding inside. Steam, the warm, misty cloud that rises up from hot water. You've probably seen it float up from a warm bath or a hot cup of soup. Pressure, a strong pushing force building up inside something, like when you blow up a balloon and it stretches tighter and tighter until it's ready to pop. Explode, to burst open suddenly and quickly, like a firework bursting into a shower of light in the night sky. Fluffy, soft, light, and puffy, just like a cloud floating in the sky or a fresh pillow you sink your head into at bedtime. Wild, something surprising, exciting, or hard to believe, like watching a magic trick that leaves you saying, "How did that even happen?"